Introducing Webcademics, your portable dictionary. Saves time, hassle-free, easy to use. Webcademics helps you find definition, audio pronunciation, integrated thesaurus, 100,000 of words, all in one app. Learn English with Webcademics.
Before we start with the application, let's define a dictionary first. A dictionary is basically a list of words in alphabetical order with their corresponding meanings and pronunciation printed on pages of each paper of a dictionary book. With enough technological advancement, just like any other traditional medium like calculator, the dictionary can now be accessed through app software. And here comes the Webcademics. Webcademics is a dictionary that lists a search word in an application interface. It will provide you with information or definition about the search word. A dictionary at hand provides you with the best way to learn and improve your English vocabulary. Webcademics has the same concept as the traditional dictionary, but turning the pages of each paper would be time-consuming. In the Webcademics, you would just have to type the word and it will list the definition along with the pronunciation, synonyms, and the antonyms of the word. It doesn't only work as a dictionary, but also a thesaurus, all in one app.
Webcademics is an Android application developed in Android Studio. This software application will not only feature the definition of a word, but also the word's pronunciation with text-to-speech or spoken voice output. The dictionary application will also provide or list synonyms and antonyms of the searched word. As mentioned earlier, Webcademics is an Android application. It serves the same purpose as a physical dictionary, but with additional features. Although the application requires that users have access to Wi-Fi due to the application using an online database, it still brings features that the user will find helpful. These features make the task of looking up words and their definitions much more efficient and fast than having to flip through countless pages. It also avoids having to lug around heavy physical dictionaries. These features include the following. First off, word definitions. Typing in the word one wants to look for in the search bar quickly brings the user to a screen of definitions and various uses of the word in differing contexts. Alongside definitions and examples, the application also has an integrated thesaurus that shows the synonyms and antonyms of the searched word. It also includes a phonetic guide to help the user in reading the word in the way it is supposed to be read. Another feature that would help the user in reading the words searched for is the text-to-speech, abbreviated as TTS or spoken voice output. Clicking the small icon next to the phonetic guide will enable a function that reads the searched word for them, bringing more clarification as to how the word looked for is and should be read. All in all, these features come together to form the Webcademics application, making word searching much more efficient, fast, and portable.
The Warframe focuses on space allocation and prioritization of content, functionalities, and intended behaviors. It gives the client, developer, and designer an opportunity to walk through the structure of the application without getting sidetracked by design elements. The Warframe consists of the following elements that we included in the Webcademics. These elements are card view. It's a container that holds the detail of the word, including definition, example, part of speech, synonyms, and antonyms. Cycler view contains the pronunciation of word and also has a speaker icon for the button on the right side corner of the recycler view. The search view is located at the center top of the main page and it has an input label to search words. For the text view, we've set and displayed text in every page in the credit level, headers, definition, and pronunciation. For the image view, all images displayed on every page of the application are set on the application logo. Warframe shows the layout and functionality of each activity in Webcademics.
The first process of application includes the splash screen in the beginning or opening of the application. It indicates the logo of the application and the credit level below. After the splash screen, the index page is this how it looks in the first or default page of the application. It shows the word which is hello and the definition of it and other important details on the certain word. In the right side of the pronunciation level, there's a speaker button and by clicking it will speak and pronounce the current word that indicates on the screen.
Beautiful.
And for the process of the search engine, we have a search bar on the top of the page that has a button that functions to fetch data from the user input. We include the loading and error dialog to make user aware of the following message of the dialog.
Bible.
For loading dialog, after clicking the search button, it shows the loading dialog from processing for the match of the word that user search. For the error dialog, when the spelling of the word is incorrect, it indicates the error message on the screen. And here's what happens on the inside.
We use a flowchart to show the app or system process. The app system process starts with the declaration of the variables, search view, text view word, progress dialog, query, message, and API response. After the declaration, progress dialog is equal to loading and print, and this dialog will be executed with the text loading on the screen. And then, we can now proceed to input the word you want to find on the variable query. Just by tapping the search bar, we call for the declared variable, search view, and query. After that, just as seen in the flowchart, progress dialog is now equal to collecting data for, plus the queried word. This dialog will appear after searching. The manager will then get the meaning of the word using the API response. API response collect the definition, pronunciation, synonyms, and antonyms of the word entered by the user. If the word is equal to null or nothing, or cannot be found, then we proceed to the variable. Message is equal to no data found and print it. Otherwise, if the word exists, then we print that the API response will get. To end this, the user is allowed to exit application by clicking the back button. If the user decided to exit the app, that's the end of the process. But if the user decided to stay with the purpose of searching another word, then we go back into input query and the cycle repeats. That's if the user still has queries, and that's all for the app system process.
Introducing Webcademics, your portable dictionary. Saves time, hassle-free, easy to use. Webcademics helps you find definition, audio pronunciation, integrated thesaurus, 100,000 of words, all in one app. Learn English with Webcademics.